Welcome back to the Tech Shack to another low quality video. Now, I got the retro case out. If you haven't seen that video, I built a computer in this case 20 years ago. The customer was recycling it and gave me a call and asked me if I wanted it. So I took it in, did a video on the AMD Geode CPU that was in there. And then I cleaned out the case, and I've been planning to repurpose it for a new server. All the parts from AliExpress came in, new motherboard. We got the knockoff Noctua. Alright, got the case. I did a short on some of the mods I did on the case. It's pretty basic. So I added two 120mm fans. The front I/O was USB 1 and analog audio, so none of those pinouts are compatible with new motherboards. So I just yanked that out and put some mesh in there. Alright, and then the floppy drive, tossed that out and put in the USB 2 and USB 3 bay adapter. And then up here is where the Blu-ray burner is going to go. But you may notice a entire lack of parts. Like there's not anything else that we need here. And that's where this comes in. Already gotten rid of my server rack. That's at the road for sale or for free. You know, anybody can come take it. These two were originally racked up in there. I had to have this one back up kind of in tower orientation because the new server is going to go right beside it. And the old server is going to get harvested for its organs. So let's get this cracked open and get started. Alright, so we are going to keep all the drives. The RAM we can only transfer 32 gigs over because this system only has 4 RAM slots. I am going to put it up to 64. 32 I've been running. It's okay for now, as long as we're not hitting the AI too hard. This graphics card is still going to live permanently in here, just in the bottom slot, because the new card that I ordered, which also hasn't arrived yet, doesn't have any video outs, so it's only going to be used for Plex transcoding and for AI purposes. And then this temporary power supply. Again, the graphics card hasn't shown up yet, so I'm actually going to do all those upgrades as probably one video, or at least the graphics card and power supply as a separate video. Who knows when that graphics card is going to get here. So we're going to get this put together now, hopefully before my kids get home and realize Plex is down. right, everything went together fine. The existing Windows Server 2022 installed, booted right up fine. Very little driver issue since they use the same C600 series chipsets as the actual full Dell PCs. Like all these X99 boards, they use the server chipset salvaged. They don't use new X99 chipsets. The rest of the board is brand new though, so it's an excellent little board. I think I paid like $60 for it. And this, even though it's on the same platform, it doesn't seem like it's much of an upgrade. A lot of the limitations with that Dell system was the case and a lot of the proprietary nature, and all that's out the window now, so I have way more room for drive expandability. I could put in that better graphics card. I could put in whatever power supply I want, even though that one did have a 725 watt gold power supply, so I had a better power supply than what I have in this right now. But that is it for this low quality video. I will see you in the next one.